and veggies dance party. Let's go!
Blue apples are crunchy and red or green. They keep you healthy and squeaky clean. No bananas give you lots of power. Eat one up and run for an hour. Fruits and veggies dance with me. Healthy, happy, 1, 2, 3. Spin around, clap your hands. Let's all join the veggie band. Night. Munch them up for super sight. For broccoli, strong with vitamin C. Green and tall like a mini tree. Spinach makes you big and strong like superheroes all day long. Fruits and veggies dance with me. Healthy, happy, 1, 2, 3. Jump up high, wiggle low. Let's eat healthy as we grow. You're all great dancers, and now you know healthy foods help us grow, glow, and go. Which fruit or veggie is your favorite? Party confetti falls, happy music pants party with Kooky Kiddos! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and eat your veggies every day. Bye-bye!